Here's how to toggle instant replay in the Nvidia overlay. Open the Nvidia app and click the overlay icon on the right side. Go to Settings, then Shortcuts. Find the Instant Replay On-Off shortcut. Note the key combination assigned to it. You can also customize it by clicking on the field and pressing a new key. Close the overlay and use your shortcut key to toggle instant replay on or off at any time. A brief on-screen notification will confirm the current state each time you toggle it. Understanding what instant replay actually does helps you use it better. When enabled, Nvidia continuously records the last few minutes of your gameplay in the background, even without you pressing record. When something clip-worthy happens, press the Save shortcut and it captures the last 30 seconds, 5 minutes, or however long you have configured, all without interrupting your game. The recording length is set in the Instant Replay settings inside the Nvidia app. A common mistake is leaving Instant Replay on indefinitely on lower-end systems. It uses GPU resources in the background, which can reduce frame rates in demanding games. Toggle it on only when you are actively playing something worth clipping. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.